Make money online. How to start blogging. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Are you looking to start a blog and turn it into a profitable business? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to start a blog and make money online. Whether you're a total beginner or already blogging, I'll cover everything from setting up your blog to effective monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, ads, and selling your own products. So, let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Setting up your blog. First things first, you need to set up your blog. Here are the steps. Choose a niche. Focus on something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. The more specific, the better it helps attract the right audience. Select a platform. If you're a beginner, free platforms like WordPress.com or Blogger are great starting points. But if you're serious about monetizing, go for a self-hosted WordPress.org blog. Pick a domain and hosting. Choose a memorable domain name and reliable hosting service. Platforms like Bluehost are affordable and beginner-friendly. Step 2. Writing the perfect blog post. Now that your blog is set up, it's time to write great content. A perfect blog post has 4 key elements. Outline the body. Plan your post with clear sections. Use keyword research to structure your content around popular search terms. Add visuals. Include images, infographics, or videos to keep your readers engaged. Use a strong call to action. CTA encourage readers to subscribe, share, or click affiliate links. Optimize your URL. Create short, readable URLs that include your target keyword. Remember, valuable and easy to read content is what keeps readers coming back. Step 3. How to monetize your blog. Here's the exciting part: making money from your blog. Let's go over the top strategies. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Earn commissions by promoting products or services through display ads. Platforms like Google AdSense and Media.net allow you to run ads on your blog. You earn money when visitors view or click these ads. Sponsored posts and reviews. Partner with brands to write paid reviews or feature their products. This works well if you've built trust with your audience. Sell your products or services. Offer ebooks, online courses, or freelance services. Use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to sell your creations. Direct ads. Once your blog has consistent traffic, sell ad space directly to businesses. Crowdfunding or donations. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi let your readers support your blog financially. Step 4. Driving traffic to your blog. Traffic is the lifeline of a successful blog. Here's how to grow your audience. SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to rank higher and attract organic visitors. Social media marketing. Share your posts on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering freebies like ebooks or checklists. Use your list to promote new content and products. Step 5. Maximizing blog revenue. Here are some final tips to maximize your blog's earning potential. Focus on your niche. A targeted audience means more engagement and higher conversion rates. Post high-quality content consistently. The more value you provide, the more loyal your audience will become. Experiment. Try different monetization strategies to see what works best for your blog. Be patient. Blogging success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, it will pay off. Start your blogging journey today. And that's it. Starting a blog and making money online is absolutely achievable if you are willing to put in the work. Remember, it's all about building an audience, providing value, and trying different monetization strategies. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Learn and Earn, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future content. Let me know in the comments what your blog niche is or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging. For details visit the website mentions below in description.